Hi, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft apps on your Windows computer. So for example, you want to install Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint or any other Microsoft apps on your Windows computer. Here's how to easily install any Microsoft apps on your Windows computer. First of all, on your computer search bar, you have to search here Microsoft Store and then just launch the Microsoft Store on your computer. And now, once you are in Microsoft Store homepage, you will find this search box here. Now, all you have to need is search here the Microsoft app that you want to install. In my case, so let's search here Microsoft OneNote, and here we can see the Microsoft OneNote. So all you have to need, just click on the Microsoft app and just click on install if the app is free, or if the app is paid, then you have to just click on get to purchase the Microsoft app. So that's how. Just search for Microsoft to get all Microsoft apps in here. So as you can see, here's Microsoft Teams available, Microsoft Whiteboard, Microsoft Clipchamp, Microsoft 365 family, Microsoft Edge browser. So to get Microsoft Office, you have to install this Microsoft 365 Office. So all you have to need, install this app and open the Microsoft 365 Office, and inside of this Microsoft 365 Office you will find Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook, and also Microsoft OneDrive, Teams, and OneNotes. So basically, in this Microsoft 365 app, you will find Office applications completely for free. So here, let's go to Microsoft Excel and let's create a blank workbook. And as you can see, now I can easily use Microsoft Excel from this Office 365 for completely free. So that's how we can download or install Microsoft apps on our Windows computer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.